So this is basically it for this one, and let's do the rest in the next video. Hello and welcome back. So today we will continue forward with the standard library, and we will be talking about dates, compression, and performance in Python. So dates and times can be expressed with the datetime library this way. We can use the date.today, and we will have date. We can use some formatting if we want. Okay, this kind of format, this kind of format is this kind of format. We can change it as we want, like put the, let's say, the year in the middle, put the day in the end. It's totally up to us. So this is how it is. We can also put the big year, the small year, the big year, and this is how it can be done. So this is for basic format. I will leave it as it is. Here we can have some birthday, and we can do some calculations of around. There are some calendar arithmetic around it. So dot days, we can do dot years. Example. Oh, it doesn't have years. Days, and we can just divide it by 365, and we will have like, okay, that's my birthday actually. If you would like to send me some gifts on my birthday, you're most welcome. So I'm already 25 years old and a half and counting and counting. And we can just do some for operation, and it will tell you. Okay, it's math.float, I guess. Ooh. Import math. Yeah, so you have math.float, it's this one.